Mustard seeds. Mustard seed is a spice that comes from one or more mustard plants in the cabbage family, Brassicaceae or Crucificae. Native to the Mediterranean region and now cultivated worldwide, 3 plants are grown for mustard seed. The common names indicate the color of the seeds produced. Black mustard, Brassica nigra, has black seeds, and brown Indian mustard, B. juncea, has brown seeds. White mustard, B. alba or Sinapeia alba, is also known as yellow mustard, and its seeds are yellow. They are low carbs and calories, and they are rich in vitamins such as B12, thiamine, folate, and niacin. It is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids and helps reduce the levels of bad cholesterol. Where to buy? Mustard seeds can be bought online or in your local grocery store or supermarket. How to take mustard seeds? It is recommended to take a teaspoon of mustard daily. Mustard seeds are edible. However, they are not used in commercial mustard preparations because the plant cannot be harvested mechanically. Mustard seed is used as a flavoring agent in mustard condiments, food, and beverages. Mustard weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of olive oil. How to prepare? Start by soaking the mustard seeds in water for about 30 minutes. Then grind the seeds using a mortar and pestle. Add olive oil and lime juice to the mustard seeds and mix well to use as dressing for salads. Benefits: the mustard seed is known to warm the eater. Such warming generally makes one sweat, which helps the body to flush out any toxins. This gives the body a better ability to concentrate on breaking down fat. Research shows that mustard contains a multitude of different minerals, omega-3s, fatty acids, and selenium. Fats such as omega-3s are classified as essential fats the body needs, as they help with cell regeneration and keeping the synapses in the brain firing. Mustard can also help break down lipid fat, the ones we want to try and get rid of by boosting the metabolism. According to research, having a teaspoon of mustard each day helps bolster the metabolism by up to 25%. The scientists recommend having a teaspoon of mustard seeds, powder, or even a hot mustard condiment 1 hour before eating a heavy meal to help the body to more efficiently break down the nutrients and burn the lipids instead of converting and storing them into fat cells. Precautions: prolonged use of large amounts of mustard seeds, either internally or externally, can cause serious skin irritation and inflammation. Undiluted mustard oil must never be used, and it should never be used on sensitive areas. In addition, it should not be used in children under the age of 6 or in cases where a patient is nauseous and suffering from a lingering cough. Before you add this plant to your diet, you should speak to your healthcare provider to be sure mustard seeds are safe for you.